Apple is renowned for a culture of secrecy, one that's managed in no small part by the company's head of communications. But it's had a hard time filling that role, with the most recent entrant, Stella Lowe, formerly Cisco's PR chief, now leaving after less than a year on the job. 15-year Apple vet Kristen Huguet-Quayle is taking over, according to journalist Kara Swisher and BuzzFeed's John Pitchkovsky. Apple confirmed to BuzzFeed that she's been promoted effective immediately, as Lowe leaves to spend more time with her family. The previous comms boss, Steve Dowling, left in September 2019, and Apple left the role open for nearly 2 years before hiring Lowe last May. During the time, longtime Apple marketing and App Store boss Phil Schiller reportedly stood in between Dowling and Lowe. Apple became the world's most valuable publicly traded company, got itself into the ongoing Epic versus Apple lawsuit, and became embroiled in all kinds of scrutiny from antitrust enforcers, developers, App Store users, and its own employees, the ones that could maybe bring its fortress of secrecy toppling down. Apple's PR chief before that, Katie Cotton, set the tone for the company's communications for 18 years. Apple was reportedly looking for a friendlier, more approachable successor after she left. I'm curious if the company's relationship with the press will change again now. Related, Apple's fortress of secrecy is crumbling from the inside. Tim Cook's Apple 10 years later. Recommended by